Hello everyone, welcome back with Microsoft Word basic tutorials how to delete a page. Okay, for example, I have this single page and I will enter. It will be correct the other page. You can see we have these three pages. We also can active for this option paragraph mark. So it will be show for this space with a paragraph mark. If you want to delete this page, you can click from this point, this paragraph mark into here, and you can press delete button. The other example, I will break this page. You can click at this point and we can click insert, click back break. It will be show back break symbols in here. If you hide with this paragraph mark, it will be automatically hide in your page. So you need to active to view the page, and if you want to delete at this page, you can select this page break and you can press delete button. So it will be automatically delete. If you want to hide again this paragraph mark, you can click at this point. Okay, that's it, how to delete a page in Microsoft Word. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.